Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope.
Hey my babies, it's Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this turquoise glitter cut crease. So if you're interested and you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know other things that it is that you want to see me do, and if you like this video as well, and subscribe to my channel. Come on, subscribe. Thank you. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's get into it. Hey babies, how's it going? So let's get started. Now I'm going in with the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'm taking this yellow shade and I'm using it as my transition. And I'm just going to pop that on my lids. Make sure I really build up the intensity of that color. Next, I'm going in with this pink shade, and I'm going to pop that right below the yellow, but not too in depth into the crease. Next, I'm going to go into the Magic palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to take this blue dark royal shade. I don't even really know what color this is, but it is beautiful for sure. And I'm going to place that into my crease and then blend it up. Then double back with the shades that I had before, just so that I don't lose those colors, and to blend out the edges of that darker shade. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to cut this crease. Oh, I did apply some tape. Yes, girl, for the crispness. Yeah. I also went in and I drew out my line first and filled it in afterwards. I found that this is the easiest way when it comes to cutting a crease, for me personally. Next, we're going to go back into the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I'm going to take that turquoise shade. Oh my god, y'all. This crease blending brush, it's not even a blending brush. It's just like a, I forgot the name of the brush. It'll be in the description bar. But this brush by Wet n Wild, y'all, look at how it's helping me keep that crispness in this cut crease, honey. Whenever I found this brush at Walgreens for $2.99 for two, girl, you best believe I loaded up on that bad boy, honey. Do you hear me? Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and then I just went in with a regular eyeshadow brush and packed on the rest of that lid color. Oh my goodness, that brush is amazing. Go get it. Go get it. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer and some J-Cat Eye Glitter. And I'm going to apply the glitter primer on first with this brush. Precisely, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that concentration. Okay, Miss Barrett. Alrighty, and now we're packing on the glitter, and I just did this pretty much. I would recommend using maybe a bigger brush, but I didn't really have a brush that was getting as close and precise as I wanted it to be, so I just continued to use the smaller brush throughout the whole eye. These lashes from the beauty supply store is bomb AF, honey. Do you hear me? Girl. And today I attempted using this Cover FX primer. It's new to me, so I attempted it. Y'all know I love my Maybelline Do Me In Smooth, so that's what it is that I used. If I don't try anything new, this is typically what I use all the time. It's my all-time fave. If you don't have it, go pick it up if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, I would not recommend. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, under my eyes, around my nose, my chin, my forehead, a little bit on the forehead, because we don't want it to look too big, and then down the bridge of my nose. Like so. Next, I'm going to go in with my RK by Kiss Ruby Kisses 3D contour kits, whatever you want to call it. If you have not seen my review on this palette, go ahead and click that card right up there in the corner. Thank you, homegirl. And I love the combination of going in with the warm shade and then going back over it with the cool shade. Oh my God. It just looks so stinking good, girl. For $6.99, honey. Yes, girl. Ooh, woo. Who don't want to be cute and affordably cute? Girl. Look at that. Already cute. You ain't even blended it out yet. Oh my God. I'm just... Oh my God. Oh my God. So freaking cute, yes. So now I'm just taking my Real Technique sponge and blending everything out. Like so. Now I'm blending out that contour. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. It's so warm and just, yes, girl, smile at them. Because you know you fucking eat. Honey. Yes, girl. Oh my God. Okay, well, this is probably, oh, here we go. The Sacha Buttercup setting powder is an all-time fave for me to set my face with. It's either this or the Laura Mercier setting powder, but I've been loving the yellow undertone that the Sacha Buttercup gives me. And I don't necessarily bake, I set. Baking is not really my thing. I find that that's what makes you look a little ghostly. But, you know, to each its own. To each its own, okay? All right. Next, I'm going to go in with that same 3D contour palette, but in the powder. And I'm going to take that warm contour shade that y'all saw. Just blend that out around the forehead, and anywhere that you put the cream is where you want to put the powder, because if you put any type of liquid, you always want to set it. Always. Any liquid, any cream, you want to set it so that you don't forget it, because if you don't set it, it's going to bounce back on you in the middle of the day and you're going to be looking real weak. So just keep in mind, you want to go ahead and set that in place so it don't go nowhere. Okay? All right. Now we're going to set the foundation with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. And we're also going to be dusting the highlighted areas and the contoured areas to blend them together as one. Because the last thing you need is to have your colors looking like two different colors. Okay, yeah. You want them to mesh together. You want them to mesh together. Now this, I don't know where I got this palette from, but my mom actually got it for me, and it's so great. I love mixing those two shades. It gives me the perfect rosiness for myself. Oh, okay, we're moving kind of fast. I set my face with the Too Faced 3-in-1. Now I'm going in with the Nika K Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. I know what that is because that's my all-time fave for right now. Yes, girl. Okay, and now we're going in with the NYX Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm, because it's getting a little sandy and a little stormy. There it is. There it is. Well, I hope you babies enjoyed this video and this new voiceover. Let me know how y'all like the voiceovers. That'd be great. Bye.